Welcome to CIRIA's membership webinar, and welcome to CIRIA if you've just joined us. Being a member gives you access to a wealth of experience and expertise gathered throughout the construction industry in one place, and that's CIRIA. That's the Construction Industry Research and Information Association. After a brief introduction about who we are, this presentation is designed to show you how to make the most of your membership at CIRIA. The Construction Industry Research and Information Association, or CIRIA for short, is a not-for-profit, member-based organization, neutral and independent, linking organizations with common interests to facilitate a range of collaborative activities that help to improve industry performance. CIRIA works towards continuous improvement by delivering independent and authoritative guidance, as well as the high-quality training courses and networking events that fall out of this portfolio of guidance that we've got. It's aimed to raise awareness, share knowledge, and promote discussion on existing and emerging topics. And here you've got an overview of our members. We have a number of memberships, and I'll start with the CIRIA membership, around 80 members, including infrastructure clients, tier 1 contractors, major consulting companies, specialist suppliers, regulators, and academic experts. We also have what we call specialist interest groups, or serious communities of practice. I'll start with the SUS drain community that's providing a range of resources for those involved in delivering sustainable drainage systems, or SUDS. We also have the biodiversity industry group, which helped set up the big awards. We've got the LACL network, helping local authority officers to address responsibilities and duties involving land contamination and redevelopment. And likewise, we also have BRUMP, which provides comprehensive support to construction, environmental, financial, and legal professionals working on brownfield projects in the private sector. You can also see EMSAG there, the European Marine Sand and Gravel Group, providing a forum for the marine aggregate industry across Europe to discuss sector issues and exchange ideas and learning. The Geotechnical Asset Owners Forum aims to support clients that are involved with the management of geotechnical and related assets. And Build Offsite creates and sustains a dynamic work program that both supports increased awareness of offsite solutions, or MMC, and the increased value they can enable to help the offsite supply chain to improve and promote the value of their solutions. We also host the UK BIM Alliance, and we've recently set up MCR, which is a community of practice bringing together construction and insurance sectors to manage construction risk. This slide is to summarize the governance we have in place to engage with industry. You can join and represent your company on CIRIA's council. We have one nominated representative who speaks for your organization's interest. We also have what we call member advisory panels, identifying opportunities to benefit the industry through development of research projects, meets twice a year, and they decide where we will focus our research efforts. So we have an advisory panel for sustainable water management, we have one for ground and coastal engineering, and one which covers environment, sustainability, and contaminated land. And last but not least, I wanted to provide you with some more information about what our core themes are, where we focus our efforts when it comes to research, events, and training. So you can see ground and coastal engineering covered, including innovation and asset modeling. Sustainable water management covers, as it says on the tin, SUDS, flood management, and property flood resilience, as well as emerging topics like blue-green infrastructure and blue roofs. Environment and sustainability also covers green infrastructure along linear assets, but also important circular economy principles around net zero carbon, waste management, and biodiversity. And last but not least, contaminated land shares expertise amongst practitioners around innovative site investigations, remediation, asbestos, and working on brownfield projects.
Being a member of CIRIA gives you the opportunity to engage across the spectrum of CIRIA activities. You can get involved in research, help shape research proposals, and participate in research projects. You can take part in our events as a speaker or an attendee. Many CIRIA events are free for members, and it's an easy way to improve your knowledge and add valuable CPD points. You can get reading our good practice guidance. It's free for members to download via the IHS, giving you access to our extensive back catalogue of publications. And don't forget, you get preview guidance before others in the industry through our members preview. You can make use of our handy tools such as BEST, valuing the benefits of blue-green infrastructure, our Working with Wildlife app, and our app for working with asbestos. Remember, you can take advantage of reduced rates on our training courses, which are delivered by industry experts and include live online training, e-learning, and in-house courses customized to suit your specific needs. There are many member benefits. You have free exclusive member previews of all new publications before anyone else, as we've mentioned earlier. The Knowledge Hub has over 600 publications of CIRIA's past research. We have loads of past presentations that you can watch, and you have a 50% members discount on additional purchases of CIRIA publications if you want to have the physical copy. So how do you access it all? If you're unsure if you have an account, the quickest way to find out is to click on the Create an Account tab at the top of the screen. Here you enter your email address in the Find My Login area, and a link will be provided to you if you already have an account set up. If you don't, then you just go ahead and create an account. Once you've created your account, you then have access to your section of the web page. This is where you can set up things as you want them. So if you see the little tab on the top that says Communication Preferences, you can say whether or not you want to get member news and highlights, which we do recommend because it tells you what's happening in CIRIA and with other members within CIRIA. And then you have the areas of interest. Now, this is where you customize the content you can get over and above member news and highlights. You can say whether or not you're interested in civil and ground engineering projects or information that we may have for you. Regeneration and contaminated land, sustainable water management, amongst a whole host of others. Additional things that you will find are activities, such as you can see the books that you've ordered, the upcoming meetings and events, and more importantly, the security aspect where you can change your password. And we recommend you do this on a regular basis. Right, once you've logged in, you have access to the members area. And the easiest route to the members area is by clicking on the membership tab, then selecting the member area from the drop-down list. The member area gives you access to all the documents and areas exclusive to members only. So number one, the Knowledge Hub, which is home to briefings, webinars, videos, blogs, and so much more. 2, this is where the latest member previews are shown. It gives you the opportunity to take a look at our latest guidance before general release. 3, member resources are a series of quick links to A, our member spotlight page to see what your fellow members are sharing, B, our resources page. The member handbook is here for you to download, and it will give you all the information you need about membership, including a page of handy CIRIA contacts. There is also an easy-to-reference membership at a glance, which is a concise version of the member handbook. More sections on the members area. Scrolling down the page, you will also find quick links to accessing post-event information. So if you've missed an event and you'd like to watch the presentations afterwards, after a moment of time, you'll have access to those presentations through this area. This is also where we highlight our member days and our annual debates with quick links to both. You also find council minutes and presentations. And as an organization, you can make use of the member branding, which has been designed to enable you to demonstrate your commitment to industry improvement and to enhance member credentials. Here is a quick link to the resources, research, and events and training. So in the Knowledge Hub, you can find what's new in the Hub, highlights from recent events on a particular theme. There is the CIRIA briefing compendium where you can find interesting interviews and views on a wide range of subjects. And also there are links to our partner websites such as Sustain and The Big Challenge. The Knowledge Hub is split between these 4 areas: environment and sustainability, infrastructure, civil and ground engineering, building construction, process and technology, water flooding, coastal and marine engineering. Each section includes content such as briefings, member-only blogs, free resources, projects and proposals, and other useful links. CIRIA's collaborative and peer review process has been used to produce independent and authoritative guidance across a range of topics designed to promote better working practices. The full back catalogue of CIRIA guidance is available to members to download free via the CIS IHS portal. Every member organisation receives a link to this via the member portal. Exclusive member previews, as we've mentioned previously, free first print copies of new guidance, and they're all handy, 50% discount or physical copies that you want to purchase. Right, the member spotlight. This is where you raise your profile, share your successes and knowledge with your peers in the industry. The easiest route to the member spotlight is by clicking on the membership tab, then selecting the member spotlight from the drop-down list. You can share your blogs, thought pieces, and other digital content. You can get your organization featured in the CIRIA monthly newsletter. You can amplify your voice within the construction and the built environment by sharing your knowledge and expertise. And you can increase exposure to you and your organization. CIRIA members come from a plethora of different stakeholder groups, covering different sectors of the industry, and can share their expertise on a number of topics to a broader audience by featuring blogs, case studies, updates pertaining to their specific organization on the member spotlight page. Submitting content to the CIRIA platform grants members the benefit of increasing exposure to the industry through our highly trafficked website, improved search engine rankings, and a spot in the monthly newsletter. Updates made on your organization's Twitter account will also feature on the Spotlight page through our live social media feed.
CIRIA members have access to a wealth of knowledge and good practice from across the construction industry. One of the benefits that you will enjoy as a CIRIA member is the opportunity to learn from leading experts and keep your skills and knowledge up to date through our events and exclusive content. We organise a full programme of events each year, providing learning and networking opportunities for professionals across the construction sector. From online conferences and webinars to workshops, seminars and awards, our events are tailored to the needs of our members and the wider community and address emerging topics to enable you keep pace with industry standards and trends. We provide a platform for members to share their knowledge and expertise through speaking and sponsorship opportunities. Our events programme includes over 50 CPD accredited events each year, which are free or discounted for our members. Webinars are typically free, but there is usually a nominal charge for our conferences. If you are unable to attend an event, you can access the presentations and webinar recordings in the post-events section of the website. This year, we have doubled members' allocation of free places to online events, further supporting you in building capacity and knowledge within your teams. If you are not sure what size member your organisation is, please contact us. You can register for events online or by contacting our customer services team. In addition to events, your membership gives you access to exclusive content via the CIRIA Knowledge Hub in the members area of the website. Here, you will find a range of thought leadership pieces, including blogs, technical briefings, webinar recordings, and much more. This is a snapshot of some briefings and recordings currently available, with new materials being added regularly. We often feature content contributed by our members for our members. It is an opportunity to demonstrate thought leadership and raise your profile by sharing news and views and showcasing your work. If you would like to educate and inspire others, we would love to hear from you. Social media is another way to engage with CIRIA and your fellow members and keep abreast of the latest developments. We share industry news, research proposals, good practice guidance, training and events via our social media channels and a monthly newsletter. Connect with us on LinkedIn, where you can also join a dedicated group for CIRIA members to engage in discussions, exchange ideas, and share insight into good practice. You can also follow us on Twitter for regular updates. As an advocate for performance improvement and driving collaboration across the built environment and construction sectors, it is important to hear from our members. If you have a question, concern, or great idea, please let us know.
CIRIA delivers a wide range of information engaging training courses delivered by industry experts. Course content includes up-to-date experience with practical examples and group work to deliver first-class learning outcomes. As you can see, our training covers a range of topics. Under the current circumstances and following government guidelines around social distancing, CIRIA's classroom-based training is currently delivered through a virtual classroom. As you will see, CIRIA has developed a suite of e-learning opportunities, such as Introduction to Contaminated Land, Resource and Waste Management, which is an IEMA-approved course, and all of these gain you valuable CPD points. And here is a couple of members of staff whom you may wish to contact, but remember, there are more mentioned in the member's handbook. If you are unsure who to contact, just get in touch with any one of us, and then we'll be able to direct you to the correct person. Thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, don't forget, just drop us an email. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you.